Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: an enabled Codespaces plan, a target repo, and a dev container or default environment. Next, open the repository and click Code, then Codespaces and New Codespace. Pick the branch and machine size that matches your workload. While it provisions, check Git config and add SSH keys if you need private submodules or deployment access. This gets the remote container spinning and places you directly into VS Code web or desktop connected to the Codespace. Once your Codespace loads, inspect the dev container and Docker file to confirm required tooling and extensions. Update post create command to automate installs. Then forward the ports your app needs, mark them public or private depending on who should access them. Open the integrated terminal to run dependency installs, builds, and your dev server or test suite. Make sure to use the correct node, Python, or container runtime versions defined in the dev container so you replicate production behavior and avoid environment drift. To finish, commit any dev container edits and push them so future Codespaces use the same setup. Snapshot or stop the Codespace to save costs. When debugging, open the forwarded port preview, browser DevTools, and the Codespaces output panel for build and extension logs. These show runtime errors and resource spikes. If the environment fails to start, rebuild the container, review post, create command output, and disable suspect extensions. One key tip: rebuild the dev container to clear cached failures before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.